Hi writers, today we are doing session 13 talking about an essayist tone. Um, when you guys talk to your best friends, you probably talk differently to them than you do to, let's say, your teacher or somebody of authority, a police officer. Just like when I talk to my best friends, I talk to them differently than I talk to, let's say, Mr. Davis. When you write an essay, it should be like that. You're writing from a more casual tone to a more formal tone, and you use different techniques such as sentence length and word choice to make your essay a more formal tone. So today I'm going to take a piece of writing, something that I am looking at from an old student's writing, and it was on the Secret Life of Walter Mitty. And this was the original paragraph that the student wrote about the symbolism in this story. And it says, in the middle, Thurber used gloves to symbolize how trapped Walter is all the time. Walter does not want to be safe and warm. He wants to have adventures and be like a hero, but his wife keeps telling him to wear gloves. Thurber uses this everyday thing to symbolize how Walter wants to get out. So I told this student to revise this essay, this paragraph in his essay, and make it a more formal tone, to change some of the word choice and to maybe play with sentence length and just take a more desperate tone, because this guy is in a desperate situation and he doesn't like his life and he's unhappy. So this is what he came up with. Furthermore, which is a different transition, Thurber used gloves to symbolize how suffocated Walter is in the story. Walter rejects the safety and the warmth of his life. He wants to be the hero of his own adventures, but he isn't a hero of anything. He's just Walter. Walter, whose wife keeps telling him to wear his gloves. Thurber uses this everyday object to symbolize how Walter wants to escape his life. Now, see, by using better word choice, different sentence lengths, where he says he is just Walter, Walter whose wife keeps telling him to wear his gloves, that it creates a more desperate tone to the essay, and you're understanding this character's need for adventure. I want you to revise your essays today and really think about your word choice and the tone of your essay. Is it really expressing what you want it to express? Remember, this is a process, so don't be afraid to go back and revise and change some things up so that you can elaborate better on your symbolism and really make me understand what the character was going through. I can't wait to read your writing.